On December 8, nearly 8 years after a crime that shook Kerala, a trial court is expected to deliver its verdict. The judgment will decide the fate of actor Dileep, one of Malayalam cinema's most powerful figures. For the prosecution in the case, one big setback has been the witnesses who turned hostile. Of 261 prosecution witnesses, 28 were declared hostile during the course of the trial. I don't know. I didn't see that. I never said this. That statement was falsely recorded by the police. These 4 sentences were repeated by these witnesses, some of whom were crucial to the case. On February 17, 2017, a movie actor was kidnapped and sexually assaulted. The man who assaulted her, a criminal on hire named Pulsar Suni, was identified and arrested soon. But the central question was, who was behind the conspiracy? This question led the police to actor Dileep. The prosecution alleges that Dileep masterminded the entire conspiracy as an act meant to punish and silence the woman. Many people from the Malayalam industry were crucial to proving this motive. Bhama, the survivor's friend, and Siddiq, a senior actor. Both had initially said that they heard Dileep threatening the survivor. Both told the court that they were not aware. What made Dileep angry with the survivor was that she exposed his extramarital affair with Kavya Madhavan to his then-wife Manju Warrier. Bindu Panikar, an actor who told the police that she was aware of all these equations between Kavya, Dileep, Manju and the survivor, turned up at the court and said that she was unaware. A production manager named Shine, who had said that he had seen Pulsar Suni and Dileep together, denied this. Then comes Idavela Babu. As the secretary of the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists, the survivor had complained that Dileep was taking away her chances. But Idavela Babu told the court there was no such written complaint. While the names of the Malayalam film industry folks who turned hostile are well known, there are many unknown names in the list. Dileep had presented hospital records to the police, claiming that he was hospitalized on February 17th night. This even though the police had never claimed that he was at the site of the crime. A nurse at the hospital told the court that the records were fabricated. But Dileep's doctor Haider Ali and his brother Salim of the Anwar Memorial Hospital in Aluva were declared hostile witnesses. Shirley, who worked at a hotel in Alapura, where Dileep along with actor Mukesh had stayed during the shooting of his film Sound Thoma. Shirley had said that Pulsar Suni had been there at the hotel at the same time that the actors stayed there. She denied giving this register to the police. Kavya's parents, her brother Midhun and sister-in-law Riya, Dileep's friends Nadirsha and Baiju, brother Anup, brother-in-law Suraj, his driver Appunni and his guard Dasan were also declared hostile. This is because they would not acknowledge or agree to the most basic questions. Other hostile witnesses include Ranjit, the husband of actor Chippy, who was the program executive of the Maravel Aragal AMMA event held in Sharjah and Kochi in 2013. Family members of the men who executed the crime also turned hostile. Though there are many who turned hostile, there are also those who stuck to their testimonies. Like Manju Warrier, who told the court that Dileep was angry with the survivor. Like Sagar Vincent, who first turned hostile, then came to court with another version. Sagar Vincent was an employee of the clothing store Lakshya, owned by Kavya Madhavan. He had told the police that Pulsar Suni and another man visited the store on February 22, 5 days after the crime. Sagar later went to the court and admitted that he had lied during the initial deposition. He had been offered a bribe of rupees 5 lakhs. He is no longer a hostile witness. On December 8, as the judgment is delivered, follow the News Minute for updates. Become a subscriber and help our reporters cover these stories.